No, bro.
Get a hernia.
Why am I the only one that comes up with good ideas?
This is a bad idea. No way, man. There's no way.
Alright, you ready? You gonna help us? Sure. Okay, do this.
This is not gonna happen, bro. This is not gonna happen. This is bad right now. I'm telling you, this is bad.
Bro, I'm telling you, it's gonna work, huh, Brian?
Brian, there's no way.
We've done it before, I'm telling you.
Not in a car this high.
Yes, we have.
No way. No freaking way.
We used Roger's truck, remember, to get all those engines over to the shop? Remember that? And we had to pick up like 3 of them like this. Me and Brian. Roger's truck was tall. It may have been a little taller than that. I told you guys we could do it.
Yeah!
We should just do we should have done a bargain market, you know, vidya. Break into this bad Larry. That fresh door handle. Hey, what?
Let's go to Walmart.
Why? You said you want to go to PetSmart?
No, I don't want to go to PetSmart. I'm tired today. I'm exhausted today. And I'm scared for my surgery tomorrow. Check this out, guys. This right here. Oh, so good, dude. Good stuff. Good stuff. You see that guy? Okay. This guy right here in his white truck, he was freaking eyeballing the crap out of you.
You said do a pull?
No.
Pull?
Nope.
For it?
No, don't
okay,
for it. Jump in that forklift right now and take off.
I don't know how to drive one.
Me too.
I know you do.
I lifted the Integra with it.
You almost tipped it over.
I did. I was hauling butt in the back of the warehouse, dude, and I freaking tried to drift the corner and it almost fell out, dude. You can see my tire marks still on the ground, dude. That thing went on 2 feet, 2 wheels. It was so sketchy, bro.
Those things are so heavy.
It was fun. I got it on 2 wheels, man.
That's not an accomplishment.
It's a great day for OSHA violations.
Come with me, and you will see. Oh, I forget what the song's like, but living in a world of OSHA violations. Yeah!
Only at Walmart. Where are we going, dude?
Thinking about driving behind Cal Ranch now.
Cal Ranch.
Wanna go in?
Basically, we're just killing time right now. No, because if I go in, I'm gonna buy something, dude. You did that to me last time.
You wanna go in?
No.
Yeah, we can go in.
No. You know,
Just buy a
all
washer
this
and
crap,
dryer.
bro.
Yeah,
All
man.
this crap. If this was California, man, where I used to live, it'll be gone. There's no way this stuff will still be out here. GoPro action. Dude, we should get one of those and make them into a hot tub. We'll
Trashy that would look.
well, yeah, dude. Put it in the backyard.
Over the fence.
Dude, we can put a set of fire underneath it and have Brian test it out.
He would too. No,
I know he would.
Know he'd be all
He would, dude. I need one of these, man. It's one of those days today, boys.
Right, yesterday for me was 7 cups of coffee.
This good stuff right here. Oh, it's crisp.
Your stomach hurts, man.
Walmart has a nice bathroom. Are you serious? Can't take this guy anywhere. Can't take them anywhere, I swear. Literally a construction site. Instead of going to Walmart or Cal Ranch or any of these stores with actual bathrooms in them, he decides to go in this steaming hot, freaking nasty porta potty, dude. What is wrong with him? Oh. Pretty hot in there?
It wasn't bad. What?
You're so dumb.
What new snacks did you get me?
Nothing for you. Oh! That's my surgery snacks. What you doing?
If you must know, for those of you who don't know, I have a bad idle air control valve on this car. And I'm not going to say anything more about that, but I bought the car and it didn't have a check engine light, and then I drove it home and let it idle on the side of the interstate a couple of times while we were checking on his, trailer and whatnot. The check engine light came on, and I was like, man, I just bought this and my check engine light just came on. I was a little, butthurt.
Yeah. Then my red one just died.
Yeah, we didn't even make it home. Anyway, I found out with my code scanner that it's an idle air control valve. And if I drive the car with the code being thrown, it makes the car drive like garbage. So I kind of just roll with the code scanner with me so I can clear it when I'm in traffic. I do have a new one, which is one of those parts that, I don't know if I've shown you guys yet, but
OEM Honda.
I have a brand new OEM Honda one that I'm going to replace when I do the timing belt water pump.
Where are we?
I've never been through here before.
Really? Freak, dude. Always. Why?
Sai and I made our most recent investment. Found this Char Broil Grill.
Are you guys gonna keep the free sign? Very good. Look, it has a cover and everything for the winter time.
If anyone's in the market.
Bro, you know if somebody got, you know how much money is in this stupid thing?